talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click here in this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on options. When you just click on options, it's going to take you to next here. Then you click here on audio. When you click here on audio, it's going to take you to, sorry, we'll go back, sorry. Click here on push to talk buttons here. You come to this list, click here on Fox button here. When you just click here on Fox button here, it's going to take you to this list. Come here to shop button here on the talk screen. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean button on the talk screen. Hit with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.